Welcome to our channel. Looking to buy a multimeter but confused about which one is the best for you? The market is full of options. AstroAI, KAIWEETS, Fluke, and many more. But do they all perform the same? In today's video, we'll check out the top 5 digital multimeters that not only measure voltage, current, and resistance, but also offer features like non-contact testing, temperature measurement, and super accurate readings. So make sure to watch till the end, because only then you'll know which one is truly perfect for you. Product number 1. AstroAI 2000 Multimeter. The AstroAI Digital Multimeter 2000 counts is a small and handy tool that's easy to use even if you don't have much experience. It lets you check voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and diodes with a simple turn of the dial. The screen is clear and backlit, so you can read numbers without straining your eyes, even in darker spots. It also comes with batteries, test leads, and a protective silicone case that helps absorb bumps and keeps it safe if you drop it. Many people find it useful for quick household jobs like checking batteries, testing wall outlets, or making sure fuses are still good. It's also a good option for car owners who want to test small circuits without needing a pro. Pros: easy to use, affordable price. Cons: not built for advanced or heavy-duty projects. Comment: if you're looking for a basic meter for home or hobby tasks, this is a solid and budget-friendly choice. Product number 2. KAIWEETS 6000 TRMS Multimeter. The KAIWEETS TRMS 6000 counts multimeter is a step up from basic testers, giving you more features in a tool that's still very user-friendly. It can measure voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and even temperature, making it useful for more than just simple checks. With auto-ranging built in, you don't need to know the exact setting before starting. Just connect and read the results. The large backlit screen is easy to see, and the flashlight at the back makes it handy for working in low light. It also comes with non-contact voltage detection, so you can spot live wires safely without touching them. This model is designed for people who want a reliable tester for everyday repairs or more serious DIY jobs. Pros: wide range of functions, safe and convenient features. Cons: slightly bulkier than simpler meters. Comment: a great pick if you want an affordable tool that covers both home and auto needs. Product number 3. AstroAI TRMS 6000 Analyzer. The upgraded AstroAI TRMS 6000 counts multimeter is designed for those who need more than the basics. It measures AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and temperature with solid accuracy. True RMS technology gives more reliable results, especially with irregular signals. It also comes with auto-ranging, so you don't waste time guessing the right setting. The display is backlit, bright, and clear, making it simple to use even in dim spaces, while the foldable stand helps keep your hands free during testing. Built-in safety fuses protect both the device and the user, which is reassuring if you're new to using a multimeter. Many people like this model for its mix of professional functions at a price that's still reasonable. Pros: accurate readings with true RMS, hands-free design. Cons: may feel a bit advanced for total beginners. Comment: a smart upgrade if you want more functions without spending too much. Product number 4. TESMEN TM510 Smart Multimeter. The TESMEN TM510 Digital Multimeter is built for people who like simple tools that save time. It comes with Smart Auto Mode, which means the device chooses the right function, voltage, resistance, or continuity, on its own. This makes it very beginner-friendly, since you don't have to worry about settings. It also has a non-contact voltage feature, so you can check if a wire is live without making contact, adding an extra layer of safety. The large backlit screen and built-in flashlight help you work in darker spaces, such as garages or behind furniture. It's compact, lightweight, and includes a storage bag, so carrying it around is no trouble. The TM510 is great for daily home use, quick electrical fixes, and checking circuits. Pros: very easy to use, smart auto function. Cons: fewer advanced features than higher-end models. Comment: perfect for beginners or casual users who want something safe, fast, and simple. Product number 5. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter is a professional tool trusted by electricians and serious DIY users. It measures voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance, and it does so with excellent accuracy. It also features true RMS technology for reliable results, non-contact voltage detection for safer checks, and automatic AC-DC selection to reduce mistakes. Another standout feature is its low impedance mode, which helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage in wires. The bright backlit display is easy to see in almost any environment, and the meter itself is sturdy and built to last. Many professionals prefer Fluke because of its proven reliability and long battery life, making it a tool you can trust for years. Pros: highly accurate, durable, professional-grade design. Cons: pricier than most other options. Comment: if you want a multimeter that's built for serious work and lasting performance, the Fluke 117 is worth the investment. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.